Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Read Aloud, a place where books for children come alive. In this episode, we're going to read Mr. Kitty's Kitchen by Robert Magliano. Let's start. Illustrated by Hatis Batramoglu. Dedication to my parents. On a cold winter night, Mr. Kitty and his son, Jack the cat, lay asleep in their house. When Mr. Kitty and Jack woke up, they saw a mountain of snow on the ground. Jack and Mr. Kitty played outside in the snow. When they were ready to warm up, they headed inside. Mr. Kitty had a fun captivity planned for a cold day like this. Mr. Kitty took Jack into his arms and walked into the kitchen to start making cookies. They first mixed butter, sugar, and molasses. They stirred in the eggs one at a time. Then Jack mixed in baking soda, salt, and flour. After Jack stirred in the chocolate chips, the mixture was ready to go in the oven. They placed large spoonfuls of the cookie dough mixture onto the pan. Jack even got to lick the spoon, but he only had a little, or he would have a tummy ache. Mr. Kitty put the cookies in the oven until golden brown. Jack could smell the cookies baking and anxiously watched the oven. After all their hard work, Jack and Mr. Kitty sat in front of a warm fire to enjoy their milk and cookies. After eating their cookies, Jack and Mr. Kitty snuggled up in front of the fire for a quick cat nap. Jack said it was the most perfect day. The end. And that was Mr. Kitty's Kitchen by Robert Magliano. I hope you enjoyed this story. Until next time, this is Mihnea, signing off from Darjeeling.